Hey guys, this is AV. In this video, we will see how to check if checkbox is checked before submitting details to the server with the help of jQuery and JavaScript. So let's get started. Here is the simplified code I created. I have taken 3 different cases which will cover all the types of solution needed for validating checkbox, which are preventing form submit, preventing anchor tag and disable submit button. Let's see the HTML stuff first, in which this is the form tag with ID myForm. Here is the checkbox input with an ID of myCheck. Here is the form submit button with ID of button, and here is the anchor tag with the ID of an anchor. So this is the jQuery CDN link. You can use it too as well if you want to. So in this first method, we are targeting form with ID myForm, and on submit event it will not allow to submit the form, that is, it will prevent form action attribute, and at each time on submit event it will check if the input checkbox with myCheck ID is checked or not. This will return boolean value either true or false, and if it will be true, then it will unbind the prevent default and allow the form to be submitted. In this second method, we are taking this temp href variable to back up the href value of the anchor tag with ID anchor, which is used to pass the data to server, and then we are replacing that anchor tag href value to hash, which will not refresh the page and not also submit the details to the server. Now this function here captures the click event on the checkbox with ID myCheck, inside which it will check each time it is clicked, that is, the checkbox is checked as in method 1, and if the value is true, then it will replace the anchor href value with the temp href variable which we backed up and allow to submit data to server using anchor tag. In this third method, the submit button of the form is disabled on the first page load. As shown, this is targeting button with the ID of button and changing its attribute disabled to true. Then after, here the same as method 2 is used, that is, each time checkbox with ID myCheck is clicked, it will check if the checkbox is checked or not, and if it is, then it will change the attribute disabled to false of button. So this was the simple solution for validating checkbox before submitting data to the server. I hope that you like this video, and if you do, please don't forget to subscribe and also share this with all the developers. Thank you for your support. Take care. See ya.